Now, your first alert forecast with meteorologist Patrick Evans.
Classic club view, and this looks like maybe a good place to spend a part of your weekend. We've got temperatures climbing into the 80s. We're already there in most Valley cities today. We'll repeat that again tomorrow, and likely on Sunday we're going to be very close to the 80s. We've got a weak area of low pressure, actually not terribly weak, pretty significant area of low pressure up north, but the front that it trails is not all that strong. It'll swing through and give us some breezy conditions. The proximity of that storm system up north will enhance winds up to around 15, maybe 20 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon and evening, but those would be gusts. Here's the low that I'm talking about, and you can see that it's bringing a good bit of rain to the coastal areas of the Pacific Northwest, even northern California, but all is nice and dry down here in Southern California as that ridge of high pressure continues to expand, and it's protecting us from the most severe impacts of that storm system up north. We'll continue to do so through tomorrow and on into Sunday. Then a more significant storm that drops a little farther south is going to pay us a visit. Look at these numbers. We're in the 80s uniformly across the valley floor. You head up the hill to Desert Hot Springs, we're at 77. Whitewater, same number. We're in the 50s in Big Bear and low 60s over in Idlewild. Really a comfortable day all across Southern California. A lot warmer than yesterday by as much as 12, even 15 degrees. So we are looking at a temperature band tomorrow that will be in similar ranges, and we won't drop off that much Sunday. It's not until Monday and Tuesday that we see some significant changes. Winds are fairly light right now, will remain that way, a little offshore. Now through tonight, those winds staying in the 5 to 10 mile per hour range. Tomorrow afternoon, we start to see the winds pick up to around 15 miles per hour, but watch what happens as we get into Sunday. They relax again. So that's going to be just a brief period of a little bit of gustiness. Not terrible by any stretch. We've seen a lot worse winds here in the valley, but you should just know that it's going to be a little breezy in your afternoon tomorrow. And we are looking at highs today around 81. We'll drop off into the lower 50s tonight. East end of the valley will certainly see some 40s. But generally speaking, through the weekend, fairly mild overnight lows. Daytime highs running close to 82 tomorrow, similar to today. The average for the day is 76, 79 on Sunday, and I do think even parts of the valley will hit 80. We're going to be in the mid-70s on Monday as we transition, and then we've got a chance of scattered showers developing and moving in as we move into the the middle part of next week, with a couple of scattered showers on both Wednesday and Thursday before we start to clear out as we head into Friday. Numbers will cool off, daytime highs and overnight lows. Jeff and Angela.